Hello everyone, it's your boy Huz, and today we're gonna be making this medium long Korean hairstyle, which is very trendy in Korea right now. You'll also see like a lot of celebrities have this hairstyle, and the length you kind of need for this hair is like something down to your lips. And we're gonna start off by just like towel drying the hair, and I like using this product which kind of like keeps the hair very like smooth. It's kind of like a preheat product, but yeah, it keeps the hair very smooth throughout the drying process. And then I just start off by drying the hair on a very low heat setting. And I kind of just like push it all backwards, and then I kind of like increase the heat and then blow dry it like downwards. This helps create volume and also like protect the hair from not getting like too damaged. And yeah, once my hair is like kind of almost dry, I start off with this brush and I kind of just move the hair in the direction that I want to and start to like curl it inwards. That's the kind of like hair type I have, so it might work a little different for everyone, but I feel like if you want to have a hairstyle like this, you need to like curl it inwards, not really outwards, because yeah, you want a more like, you know, slick or skinny feeling on the sides and the back. So yeah, I just do it like this, and to be honest, I wasn't really like planning on growing my hair, but I ended up doing it because I'm going through this trauma of like finding the new hairstylist who, you know, I kind of vibe with. Because I just moved from like Incheon to Seoul, and it just takes a little while to, you know, find somebody who can really give you the kind of haircut you're looking for. So yeah, we're kind of almost done with that, and I kind of do this one last step to give a little more volume to the front. Yeah, and I'll just do it like maybe one more time in another direction. So yeah, I get, you know, the kind of definition that I'm looking for. And then I'll just put the hair on to the sides in the same way, because this kind of like, yeah, it just creates more volume on the top. And then once we're done with that, you're gonna see that the hair kind of comes out like really fluffy, but we don't want it to look like this fluffy all over, you know. We want to like this, we want the sides and the back to be like more, you know, kind of like skinny, slim. And you can just use this brush and kind of like just, you know, like hold it in place and apply some heat and leave it for like a second or two, and it really helps to tame the hair down. Like, just look at the difference. All that fluff is like, yeah, it's kind of down already. I can actually kind of leave it here and just go ahead with this, because that's kind of what I do daily. Like, that's my hairstyle, you know, on a normal day. But today we want this to look perfect, so we're gonna go ahead and use a straightener to really give it that, you know, kind of like an edgy look. And we're gonna make the sides and back a little more skinny or slim. So we're gonna start off by like straightening the mullet part, and you do need a little bit of length for this. Your hair can't be like too short for this, it's not gonna work, because I kind of like to bring it a little forward like this. I think it looks very cool. And this is like a good tip, that when your hair is still warm, you can actually kind of hold it in place for a few seconds, and when you leave it, it just kind of like stays there. And we're gonna do the same on the other side as well. And there's this other thing I kind of like to do, which is like just close the hair straightener and kind of use it to, you know, like flatten the hair even more. Yeah, here you can see it like really helps to calm the hair down even more. And yeah, I feel like the mullet is looking kind of fine. We're gonna do the back side a little later, and then we're gonna start off by straightening the longer parts of the hair. And the hair straightener is on a very like low heat setting. That's because I don't want the hair to be like totally straight. I want it to be kind of like wavy, but kind of like more calm at the same time. You don't want it like very messy. Yeah, and you want to kind of like tuck it behind the ear, but have those kind of like strands falling in on the front. So it gives it that kind of a smooth flow. And the temperature was kind of like around 170. Yeah, I just like to use like 170, 75. I don't go beyond like 180. And yeah, we're almost done with the left side, and I'm just gonna do the back a little as well, and then move on to the right side and just repeat the same process. And do you guys feel like longer hair is like more trendy right now? I don't know. I felt like longer hair was more trendy like 2 years ago, but now it's like somewhere in the middle. And yeah, after I'm done all that, I'm gonna like kind of do this one little thing to the front of the hair, where I kind of like hold it together and just kind of like lift it from the roots. And yeah, the straightening process is done, and I'm just gonna double check if everything is looking good. I really like these strands that kind of like fall in front of the eyes, you know. And yeah, I'll just do a final check, and I felt like there was something in the back. fix that, and I'll do this one little thing to the bangs, and we're gonna apply the final product of the day. And this is my favorite product. Like, I use it every day because this makes my hair look so smooth. It's not sticky, it's not like oil where it's like super shiny, it's like a little shiny, but it just makes your hair look so smooth and kind of like just more healthy, and it really tames it down as well. You can style with it as well. It's like, I don't like using too much, you know, heavy styling products, so this is like perfect for me. And yeah, we're almost done, we're almost there. I'm just gonna put everything in place and make sure everything is on point, looking good. And I'm actually kind of enjoying this hair length. I don't know if it gets longer, what am I gonna do with it, but especially the mullet part, I'm actually really enjoying that. And this is the final result. If you guys liked it, do give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you guys thought in the comments below, and also like leave your requests if you have any. Do subscribe if you want to support me in doing more of these. Until the next time, bye bye.